Anglo-Cookie war. They wanted to erect very tall monuments, stone monuments. We objected. Even Chief Minister N. Biren, he rejected the story. The hosted Maharaja of Manipur, Sanazava, he also flatly rejected the story, concocted story of the cookies. No? Even then, cookies are held then because they have strong support from government of India. In the 1990s, cookie leaders had a serious resolution with Home Minister Mr. Bhutta Singh, Congress Ministry, during Congress Ministry. Since then, they have started all out preparation. Their modus operandi is everything. Guerrilla warfare, psychological warfare, psychological warfare, and every sort that comes to their hand, they have started doing that. And now it amounts to terrorism. Maydays have called them narco-terrorists. They use drones and bombs, terrorize the people. The recent developments, I think you have already familiar. So this acts of terrorism continues till today. But government of Manipur, government of India, they refuse to declare this Kuki issue groups as unlawful organization. Our MPs and MLAs should have stood up and assert all these two groups, Kuki armed outfits, as terrorist groups. No? But since they are not speaking, we people have to stand up. And insist government of India should declare it, these two groups as terrorist groups, terrorist outfits. That is why yesterday we had a larger meeting at one town hall. Some of them would have attended, I think, if I'm not mistaken.